Hello viewers, my name is Dr.VIJAYAKUMAR, Assistant Professor of Statistics, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. Today my subject title Business Statistics. The subject code is ASCM301A. So Unit 4, Weighted Indices. The weighted indices, when all commodities are not equal importance, we assign weighted to each commodities relevant to its important and index numbers computed from this weights is called weighted index numbers. So the weighted index number, some methods is there, the Last-Pair, Passes and Fishers. The first method is Last-Pair index numbers. In this index number, the base year quantities are used as weight, so it is also called the base year weighted index. The P01 base year, price of base year with reference to the current year, that is equal the base year summation you have to P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. The passes index numbers. In index numbers, the current given year's quantities are used as weight, so it is also called the current year weighted index. So weighted index P01, that is equal summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. The Marshall-Edgeworth index number. In this index number, the average of the base year and the current year quantities are used as the weights. This index number is proposed by two English economics, Marshall and Edgeworth. The Marshall-Edgeworth formula is the P0 fund, that is equal summation P1 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 whole divided by summation P0 Q0 plus summation P0 Q1 into 100. The next another one is the Fisher index numbers. Geometric mean of Last-Pair and Passes index numbers is known as the Fisher ideal index number. It is called ideal because it satisfies the time reversal and factor reversal test. So P01, that is equal summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. That is the whole roots. The Derbyshire and Bowley's index number. This method take into account bases well as correct period for this current year. Construct the construction of index numbers. It is the average of Last-Pair and Passes method. These are for formulas. This is for this P01, that is equal Last-Pair formula plus Passes formula whole divided by 2 into 100. The Kelly's index numbers. The Kellys believe that this ratio of the aggregates with selected weight, not necessarily of the base year or current year, gives the index numbers. This is for Kelly's formula. P01, that is equal summation P1 Q divided by summation P0 Q into 100. The Last-Pair Passes. When is Last-Pair most appropriate and when is Passes the better chance? The Last-Pair advantages require the quantity data from only the base period. This also the more make meaningful comparison over time. The change in this index can be attributed to change in this period. The disadvantages does not reflect the change in buying the partner over time. Also, it many overtime goods who are price increases. The past is advantage because is used to quantities for this current period. It is reflect current buying habits. The disadvantages it require quantities data for this current year because different quantities are used each year. It is impossible to attribute change in this index to change in the price alone. It turns to the overweight the goods whose price has declines and recover the price to this recomputed each year. The Fisher Ideal Index, Lesbian Index turned off overweight goods whose price has the increases. The basis index on this other hand turned to the overweight goods whose price has gone down. The Fisher Ideal Index has developed in an attempt to offset up the shortcoming. It is the geometric mean for this Lesbian basis index. This is Fisher Ideal Index, that is equal to whole root of Lesbian index into basis index numbers. These are the basic concept of this weighted index numbers. So this is for enough this my section. So subscribe my channels and everyone. Thank you all.